Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, as I've already explained you that as soon as the price started going below a level of $2, we can see a further fall. See, now it has moved to a level of $1.7. Okay, and chances can be high that it can move further low because this is we have seen after 4 years. Okay, and chances can be high that it can move further low. As soon as the price started moving below level 1.5 also, we can see there will be a further downfall because this 1.5 is the low of the lockdown what we have seen, and if the price started going below this particular level, we can see there will be a sharp fall. Okay, now if you look at the 15 minutes chart, I'll show you how the price has moved today because I have already explained you how the prices was moving yesterday. See, look at this particular this as soon as this range break today, we have seen a sharp fall has come. After that it made a low of around 1.6. See, the $1.6867 it has made, and after that it's trying to go upside. Okay, and chances can be high we can see a further downfall can come in the price of natural gas. Okay, now this is the 15 minutes chart. What you can see, even 15 minutes chart is showing a continuous downtrend. We have seen it tries to go a little up, but then there is a sharp fall comes. So now let's see on the day wise chart, you will see how it is going. See, day wise chart, there is a continuous red candles are forming, as you can see looking at this particular chart. Okay, if we look at the dollar index also, you will understand how the price is moving. See, dollar index is trying to go upside continuously, and chances will be high that if the price keeps sustaining, the dollar index keeps sustaining upside, we can see there will be a fall in the natural gas prices and even in the crude prices, because there is even in the gold prices and other commodities, because you have to understand. See, suppose this is the amount of quantity x amount of countries exporting or importing. Okay, then they have to pay for y amount of uh, payment in the dollars. Okay, when the dollar price increases, for they have to pay same amount of import with increased in dollar quantity, increase the dollar rupees. So what you have to be, suppose they are paying 100 for this much quantity, once the price of dollar increase, they have to pay more for the same quantity. This is how the price of import and export imbalance happens when the price of dollar index increases. So now, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail id in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I've given in the description, you can join that too. Now see, if the price didn't sustain, and chances are very high yes it will not sustain. So now it is trading at a level of $1.7180. If this level didn't sustain, we can see it can touch a level of $1.6901, and if the price started going below this particular level, we can see it can fall further down towards a level of around 1.6807. 1.6807 is already being tested here, so chances are high we can see a level of $1.6391. Okay, and if the price started moving below that particular zone, we can see a level of $1.5764. Okay, and if the price started moving below that particular zone, chance of touching 1.5203 will be there, and this is the low of this zone. So we will see that the price can move further low if the price started falling below this level. Understand, this is a important support. So if the price started going below this level, we can see a level of 1.4 also, and then further low also, because this is the level we have seen. We have not seen this, you can say it's an all-time low. So probability will be high that we can see it can fall below a level of 1.4 also if the price didn't sustain $1.5. But as I've already explained you that whatever I'm saying or whatever anybody news and anything you see, don't rely on 100% on it. So what you can see is, always try to set your SL. If you're setting your SL, you will be saving your capital, and if you save your capital, you can take a number of trades. But once you started coming in profit, always try to trail your profit, and if you are trailing your profit, you can save that profit, and you can risk your risk appetite increases, and you can be a good trade in the future. So suppose if the price sustain, we can see it can go towards its next resistance of $1.8103, and if that level sustain, we can see level of 1.8735. Suppose if the price started going up that level, we can see a level of $1.9509, and from there a further upside movement we can see towards $2. Okay, and if the price keeps sustaining above $2, we can see it will go further upside, and yes, after that we can see it can cross a level of $2.19, which is already being tested. So chances are high we can see it will cross a level of $2.24. As soon as the price started sustaining up that level, then we can see it will go cross a level of around 2.5, sustaining a level of 2.2, we can see a level of 2.5, and once started going up that level, we can see it will cross a level of 2.7, and then after 2.7 we can see it will cross a level of $3. As soon as started crossing a level of $3, we can see a further upside movement in the price of natural gas. So hope you like the